Hey guys, so basically I just woke up and it's like 6:40 a.m. Right here means it's about 5:40 in Singapore, and yeah, my brother is still sleeping, so I came out into the balcony and it's super cold. So yeah, this is basically a few sounds you'll be hearing in Korea. So yeah. So it's a pretty cool view actually. Like, look at the sun. Alright guys, so here's the sun and it's 8:50 a.m. right now. So we'll be actually heading to breakfast, which is at one of the cafes near our building right here. So here's my brother setting up his vlogging camera, and yeah. So today is actually not really that of a cold day. It's more of just like having a aircon of 27 degrees in your room, but but still it's cold. That's why I'm actually wearing this. We're actually heading down to a waterfall later, so that's why I'm actually wearing a windbreaker. So yeah, because I mean having temperature at 10 degrees and having wind brushing constantly against you it's gonna be pretty cold. So yeah, that's why I actually wore a windbreaker today, followed by another shirt, this Puma shirt. So yeah, so we'll be heading down to breakfast now, and we'll see you guys. Alright guys, so now we're at the bottom of the waterfall. So this is the mountain right here. Let me just show you guys. So here's the entire mountain, and there are ducks here. If you guys are wondering what's making that sound. Alright guys, so right now we are near the fall. This is just a smaller one. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, I actually have my gloves on because my hands are actually getting really cold. So yeah, let me just show you guys the small waterfall. Alright guys, welcome to the waterfall. So this is the waterfall right there. I'll show you guys. So from the waterfall it will stream over all the way to the front where we were at just now. So we're gonna take some pictures here. Just gonna get some shots taken for Instagrams and stuff, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, welcome. So now we are at some cliff. Hey guys, so now we're at the observation deck. So there's like a lot of people right here. So we'll slowly go down. So yeah, this is pretty much, I mean today it's pretty much just nature. I mean we are in Jeju, so we can't really like get to a place with tons of facilities. It's more like nature and stuff. So yeah, and like waters, and I mean of course there's like this bridge which is man-made, but mostly we're able to sightsee nature stuff. So yeah, let me just show you guys a view of the place we're at right now. Yeah, there's a ton of people taking pictures. Thank you.
Okay. So sorry.
It's chocolate. Chocolate ice cream. If you guys are wondering what's this ice cream, it's an ice cream that is sold in Singapore in the past. I couldn't find it. I just saw it right here. Yeah, thank God for ice cream. Oh my gosh.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, so I just a quick update. I just got a Starbucks, and right now my mom is actually going to a teddy bear museum with my sister. So my brother and I, we will be just hanging out around here, which is the canyon. They're actually building a bridge right there. So yeah, and we'll be heading to take some pictures as well. Just gonna brush up on my hobby a little. So yep, actually now, like, just a quick update about the temperature here. It's getting pretty chilly. I mean, it's around 13 degrees Celsius. It's better than yesterday. It's just that there's a lot of wind. I think you guys can hear it, like, in the audio. So yeah, so depending on where we go later, I'll update you guys, and yeah, we'll see you guys later. Alright, so we'll be eating KBBQ right here. Let's go in. So now we're having dinner, which is Korean barbecue again. So you guys wondering who this person is? Not my grandma, is. It's the Korean, the store owner, and we are trying to communicate with them.
3, 2, 1, 2, 3만 줘볼까? 사장님 보면.
We need subtitle.
Oh my gosh, you just touched you.
Please.
양념으로 드릴까?
So we're gonna eat, like, it's cooking. Is it nice? What's this? Beef. Korean barbecue, this is the Okay guys, so this is my net. I'm having net. Hi Damian.
Oh wait, so yours now?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Hi Esther. Hi guys, this is Esther.
안녕하세요. Oh my god. Oh, it's nice.
Super laggy.
Are you filming him?
Yeah, this is Damian. And that's Darius, his brother at the back.
Yes.
There, that's Wallace.
That's Wallace right there. They're having that at Damian's house today. Hi Wallace, say hi Wallace.
Hi.
So, yep, after that right now, just gonna edit this video and just gonna post it up, because right now we're actually in a room, we're about to rest. So it's been a really fun day and really tiring day, but overall I would say it's really fun, right Ian? How do you find it?
Nice.
Really? Like, what did you do today? eat some more?
The same rules.
So yeah, we did a lot of fun things today, and it's gonna be another fun day tomorrow. We're actually going on a day tour, so we'll be actually resting right now. We have to wake up at like 7:30, so AM in the morning. So which is set like 6:30. Is it 6:30? 6:30 in Singapore. So yep, we'll see you guys tomorrow on the vlog tomorrow. And yep, see you guys. Peace out.